Well, it finally came in the mail today. I'm so stoked. By Amazon Prime, of course. So this is the new Bell Howell Battery Master battery storage unit. It actually does a whole lot more than just store batteries. So today we're going to review this unit for you, do an unboxing and show you everything about it, and show you why you need to have this to take back your life, take back your garage, and add organization to your batteries. And it all starts right now. Okay, so now let's unbox it and see what we've got. So what we have here is a case that flips up like that. It's got a lid over it. And I would definitely save this just to give you an idea until you're accustomed to using it and get it loaded as a sort of a serving suggestion. So it can tell you exactly how to load the batteries, where they go. The Battery Master here will store 25 AAA batteries right here. It will store 45 AA batteries right here. It will store 4 9-volt batteries right here. Okay. And it will store 6 C batteries. And it will store, well, it looks like 8 C batteries. This will store 8 C batteries, so 4 go here and 4 go here. And it will store 6 D batteries, 3 go here and 3 go here. Now luckily they don't have a whole lot of them, because I hardly use size C or D batteries anymore, really, for anything. Because all of the smaller LED lights have gotten so powerful now, and I don't like flashlights. Anybody that knows me knows I don't like flashlights because they all suck. They never work right. You're always tapping them, banging them to get them to work. Anyway, it also comes here with a battery tester, which is kind of cool. See this battery checker here? So here's the battery tester here. The only issue with it is this is an older style analog, which, I mean, I prefer the digital, but that's okay because I already have this same exact battery tester in a digital form that I've had for years, that I got off of Amazon a long time ago. So basically all your regular batteries get tested right in here. You just put them in there, and then the 9-volt batteries get tested up top. See those leads right there? Okay, so this little tray right here holds your little wristwatch size batteries. Those are your little round batteries, like the 2013s, the CR, was it 3032s? I forget what they call those. Anyway, so they'll fit in here. And then let's go ahead and mount this. And so I wanted to make sure, see, the mounting holes are back in here. So don't put any batteries in it until you've mounted it. Let's get that done. Okay, so what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to mount it right here on the wall in the garage here, right next to the door, see? And that way, when we come out the door, we'll be able to just grab batteries real easily without hunting. And I don't care if it sticks out a little bit right here. That's not a big deal. I'm going to make sure that I'm a little bit below the light switch there. And I'm also going to leave space. You don't want to put it right up against the door frame like that, because you need to leave a little space, and especially for the lid to come down and close. It's going to need some clearance here. So now what we're going to do here is I'm going to mark the 4 holes with my impact driver here with a pilot hole, the pilot bit here. Okay, so now I'm going to mark the 4 holes where we're going to drill here with my impact driver that has a pilot bit in there, and we're just going to mark the wall with it for the anchors. I'm going to move this about 1/4 of an inch away from the door frame, and I think the one screw hole is here. The other one is off the wall, so I have to come back and grab one of these other ones here. So that one had to go through a corner bead. Okay, there's 2 more down here. One there and one here. So now I have my 4 holes marked. Okay, now this is the only type of anchor I ever use. I do not use the plastic anchors that they supplied with it because I don't allow plastic anchors in my drywall anywhere. I don't care how light the load is. But trust me, if you stick a bunch of batteries in this thing, it's going to have a load on it. And so I use these. These are much better. I'll put a link to these down in the description. So let's get started on getting these in. Okay, so we just take it and we screw it right into the drywall. Come on. All right, so this hole here, I just made just a little mark there, but I think we can get away with just a screw if it's going through the corner bead here. And I'm sure the corner beads in there are pretty good. We'll see. Okay, so for this hole here, we're not going to put in one of these anchors because I believe there's a stud right here because it's on the corner. So we're just going to screw a screw right in through that stud. Okay, and upon further drilling, we found the same thing on this hole too. So we think there's a stud behind it, and we'll just run a screw right into the stud. Okay, so the way those easy anchors work is you just start screwing it in, and once it catches on the back inside the wall, it will flip out a little arm, and then it will come back and tighten against the drywall. I had to switch bits to make it be able to fit in there. Yeah. And you feel it snug up, and then you know the anchor's tight. Just one screw alone should be enough to hold everything, really, but you don't want this thing flapping around. Okay, so we're now fully secured. This thing is rock solid, and the fact that we used a couple of these guys and each one of these holds 100 pounds, this isn't going anywhere. It is just totally rock solid. Okay, so you remember I showed you this is the one that came with the unit, but I just happen to already have a digital version of this same one too. So I'm going to keep the digital one here. That way people can check the batteries to see if they're okay. And so there you have it. There's your new battery organizer hanging on the wall, and all of your batteries are in one place. And one suggestion I want to make to you is when you have older batteries, put them on the top row, because people tend to pick from the top row when they come out. It's just like in the grocery store when they stock the milk and the eggs from behind. All the new eggs and the new milk get stocked in the back behind the existing that's on the front part of the freezer and refrigerator there. So same thing here. You put all of your older batteries here, and any newer ones that you get, you stick them down lower. All right, so let's see. Let's check if there's any expiration date on these batteries here. Nothing there. I know there's something on here. It's got to be. Well, there we go. Ooh, March 2013. And here we are in July of 2019. Put it on the battery tester there. We can see it's a little bit shy. It would probably still work. And we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up below. That tells us that you like us. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon. That will tell you every time we get a video uploaded. And we hope you enjoyed this one, and we will see you next time.